go.
Hello everyone, Jack Ryder here. Welcome to the Nature Trail with Jack Ryder. My name is Jack Ryder. I've been doing this for 35 years. It's my job to hunt animals and track down wildlife. I have a beautiful wife and kids, and I'm doing it all for them. I'm out here with my buddies, and we're all here to track down wildlife and get a great survey of nature. Once again, I'm Jack Ryder. I'm out here, exploring the land and taking surveys of the wildlife. I'm out here with my biologist. He knows everything there is to know about plant life and wildlife. John Smith, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is John Smith. Graduated from MIT in 1967. I have been doing this for 45 years. I am an explorer, biologist, entrepreneur extraordinaire. Ever since I was a small boy, I had a passion for wild, plant life, and animals. I'm out here in the wild with Jack Ryder, and we're going to explore the Australian Outback.
And this is Craig. He's my cameraman.
Hey, I'm Craig.
We're out here on the Australian Outback trying to find some unexplored territory. Let's go into the jungle. Come on, John and Craig.
Whoa, wait, look at these berries. Now these berries, they're edible. See, wildlife, they love to eat these berries. Now, I don't think you should eat them right now. This isn't right. Anyway, let's go.
Thanks, John. What do you make of this, John?
Now, this is a result of people polluting our environment. Now this, I have no idea what this is. Looks like it's from a tractor, but now what we do with this, we take it and throw it in the trash.
Now, John, these look nice and ripe, right? Shouldn't I take these for the trip back home?
Absolutely. We need them for the long trek home.
I'll just grab a few off.
Careful now. We'll smush them.
Well, let's be on our way then, mates. Alright, so it's getting late out, so we're gonna start and make our camp here. What should I do with these berries, John?
Okay. Now you see that rock over there? Take them out individually, put them on the rock. It's gonna be our storage camp for now. Now, what you wanna do is just smash them up into a paste.
This is Jack Ryder, signing out. Alright, lads, so we just woke up and overnight we smashed the berries to make a fine paste. And it's a new morning and look what happened. They're completely gone. But look, here we have a footprint. And I'll be honest with you guys, I've never seen this type of footprint before. I think we might have stumbled upon a new rare species of animal. So today we're gonna trek through the jungle and see if we can't find out what that animal is.
That's right, Jack.
Alright?
Now you've got to watch out for these, Jack. Extremely poisonous.
Oh.
See those thorns? There's venom on those thorns.
Just push them out of the way with my rifle here. Come on, mates. I think we should be safe. Alright, mates. I'm gonna have to be a little quiet here. I think we found what stole our berries. And now I realize why I didn't recognize what those tracks were. They were human tracks. We're gonna see if we can make contact with it.
Hey, listen, guys. What we have to do is make contact with this animal. I'm gonna try to talk to it and give it a gift.
As a sign of friendship.
Yes. Now, Craig, go around and get a better shot.
All right, sir. You ready, Craig?
Yes, sir.
All right. careful.
Hello. Hey, I come in peace. No need for the stick. Here, rock. Do you like this? Do you speak? That's no language that I know. Listen, let's be friends, all right? Friends. Oh, he's hostile.
Craig,
What?
come back, Craig.
Oh,
Come back.
oh Jesus! Oh, Jesus!
No time to fight him, mate. Craig, come on.
Hey, don't worry, I got your hat, sir.
Oh, thank you, Craig.
That was a close one.
All right,
It
so
was.
we know he's hostile. So from now on, we're gonna have to film him from afar. All right, Craig, I know you were attacked by the beast. Are you hurt, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, that's serious.
John, I'm gonna need you to inspect that.
Let me see. Oh, sliced the artery right there.
It hurts, sir.
Is he gonna be okay, John?
We need medical assistance.
Do we need to amputate?
We might need to amputate.
Jesus.
You might want to cut, Craig. All right, Craig. I think that should work for now. As you can tell, we used what we had available to us to make Craig a bandage. Yeah. John sacrifices his belt, and I tore apart a piece of my clothing for a rag.
My medical degree, something good for once. Wolves. Now, look over there.
Over there.
What? If we disturb him again, he might try to kill us.
So, he's drinking water right now, as we can clearly see.
My prediction was right.
Exactly. He does go over that a large body
Let's
of
try
water
to get a little closer.
to get a drink.
He seems to be pleasuring himself, like many humans do. Try to get a little closer. Don't want to disturb him. He'll be very angry. Especially when he does.
All right, so we just woke up. We're still nearby the beach. He chose a place that's not too far from his resting place, but it looks like he's on the move.
See,
Oh, he's going back to sleep again. That's good for us. It means we might be able to get a little bit of a closer look at him without him being too hostile towards us. Come on.
let's get a little closer.
Kids, don't try this at home. What we're doing is very dangerous, and we're trained professionals. I'm gonna try and take the headband for a DNA sample, but be careful not to wake him.
We don't want this to.
Alright, so he's woken up, as you can tell, and we followed him to what appears to be some kind of secret hideout. From what we can infer, it looks like he's built all this stuff by hand. Now, I think we might have showed him a little bit short on his intelligence.
In my studies, I've never seen anything like this. He's highly intelligent. I mustn't examine him further.
We're gonna go in and see if we can't get another sample. I would love to try and get that staff for us, but he seems very attached to it, so we're just gonna try and get what we can.
seems to be pleasuring himself.
Smell this, John. Smells like you are, right?
Get that to the lab.
Alright, we got what we came for. We're gonna get out of here and leave him to his business. Let's go. Alright, this has been a great couple of days in the jungle. We got what looks like 2 great pieces of DNA samples from the savage. This one looks like it contained his urine, and this was his headband. Now, John, do you think that he made this himself?
He did indeed, Jack.
No, I think we speculated that he made it from some type of clay that he must have found here in the jungle. Regardless, they're both gonna be great spectacles for the scientific community.
Yes.
So, this is Jack Ryder.
Jesus Christ!
No!
No!
Leave him alone! Get off!
Oh, get off! Do not kill him!
I'll shoot you!
Kill him! God.
Stay back! I'm warning
Stay with
you!
me, buddy.
Don't make me! I'll hurt you!
You killed Craig! Shoot him!
Oh. He took a fling at us.
Is he dead?
Make sure he's dead this time. Yeah, he's dead.
Shoot him again for extra measure.
Got him. Alright. Craig, you deserve this more than we ever did. Alright. Come on, John. We gotta tell Craig's family.